Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today we are going to show you the tutorial how to troubleshoot and repair this wall, like a oven. So yeah, when I plug in, there's no power, there's no beeping or anything. So we're gonna take it apart. Most likely, probably the thermal fuse got shorted. So yeah, let's go ahead and move it onto the table and so we can work on it. Alright, so I moved to the dining table. I'm going to remove the rack or the shelf, middle shelf, the water reservoir. And now we're going to turn it to the back, and then on the bottom there are some like screws. Oh yeah, there's some over here on the side as well by the water reservoir. So you need like a Phillips screwdriver. It's like a short, stubby one. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, you can remove it now, but there's a tube on the bottom, okay? Right there. Alright, so hopefully I don't need to remove the whole thing. I think the first time I removed the whole panel on the cover, the block cover. I'm gonna show you the inside. So the thermal fuse is right there. Okay, I will need to remove the 2 screws that's inside the oven in order to disengage this fuse, the thermal fuse. So I need to open it. The 2 screws is right there. I think I need to remove one of it, and then the other one just loosen it up. And this one is a short stubby one as well, but a different head. Hopefully I can pry out open now. I might have to loosen up more. Unless I move the wire around. Oh shit. No other fuses in here. There you go, right there, that one. Right now I'm going to check it for continuity and see. So it's going to beep when there's no open circuit, okay? So as you can see, it is shorted. So if you have a good thermal fuse, when you touch this 2 point, left and right, it's gonna beep. So this one is good, okay? We're going to replace this one. Going to use a clip to hold it. We'll try to solder. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna wrap that up and then test it out. Alright, so this is the moment of the truth. We are going to put the water reservoir back in and then the oven rack. And we are going to plug in right now. You should hear the beep sound. Well, there you go. So it was still had memory. The last time it was cooking, like, got shut off around 6 minutes left. I'm gonna press cancel. Set the temperature. I'm gonna cook the chicken. Gonna set the timer. Let's say 18 minutes. Press into start. And again. Now I say activate. Well, there you go. It's back to work again. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace.